refreshing, tasty Guinep juice. Just like Grandma taught me, if you want to see how I achieve this refreshing, tasty Guinep juice, well, if the answer is yes, just keep on watching. And to my returning supporters, appreciate you guys a lot. For those of you coming for the first time, welcome. Please make it official, tap the subscribe button, put your bell on, and to become an official part of the family. Keep on watching, guys. Okay, here I have some Guineps already removed from the shell. And for a little demonstration, make sure to wash your Guineps before and then slice and remove the inner portion as you see me do. So keep on watching, guys, and I'll catch you at the end of it.
My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time. Oh, but I don't wanna miss you, baby. So I stand up and speak just my mind. Oh, you're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're chilling when the rain. You're some kind of butterfly. My appetite, don't leave me here high and dry. Oh,
if you can pick it up in your voice, but yes, this is a very refreshing, tasty juice. Yes, in my country, that is Jamaica, we call it Guinep. Where I'm currently living now, they call it Guinepa. So tell me in the comment section where you're living and the name of this fruit. Okay? But the juice, guys, is very delicious, I must say. And if you tried this one before, also tell me in the comment section. And until next time, guys, I appreciate you guys for all the love and support. So, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Catch you in another upload, guys.